Okay, everyone, welcome to the live trading room. This is Willie, and you're looking at the euro dollar. We shorted this at a sell stop at 129.45. We're targeting 15 pips here. Stop is only 10 pips. Right now we're up 5. So, okay, we've been in this trade. We triggered right here. Entry on the break of this box. I'm going to highlight that box that we entered using the advanced Willie box here. That's where we entered. Stop on the other side. Our stop is right at the previous day's low. So yeah, we just created a new low. So I'm expecting this thing to continue down to at least this level, at least to the 129.35 level. So that would give us about 10 pips. But we're targeting 15. We'll see. We'll see where we go. Frankfurt just opened about 6 minutes ago, so we still have a good 54 minutes before London opens. So we'll check back in a little while. Okay, everybody, this is Willie again. We just finished this euro dollar trade. The moment that Frankfurt opened, you can see we came down, and I readjusted my targets. My original target was 15 pips. I changed it to 12 and eventually 11, because one of the things I like to limit out before London opens, because sometimes it just kind of reverses the market. So we entered at 45, we got executed, closed out at plus 11, 10.6 on Pepperstone, 11 for ATC. So we had a successful first trade, and with that trade we're up 4.2% for the month of September on the Willie Box trade copier using a 1% risk. So the month is looking really good for all. Okay, this is Willie again, and I want to show you a setup here that we had on the Australian US dollar today, Monday, September 24. So you can see that the prices came down during the Asian session and then cycled back up. This particular red line here is the previous day low on the Aussie dollar, which is 104.24. Okay, what happened is the price nicely consolidated in the late Asia here, forming a turquoise Willie box. And the entry here that I announced in the live trading room was a possible sell at 104.25. And we're able to put a stop loss of only 12 pips here. You can see that this is just the stop loss is just on the other side of the swing high. And our trigger here would be the break of that box, which coincidentally is the same price as the break of the previous low, 24.25. So had we gone in at 25, you can see the current price now is 104.10. There's your 10 to 15 pips in the money on the Australian dollar. So the only reason we didn't take this trade is we were already in the euro dollar trade, which ended up being successful. And also the euro yen also gave us a very nice setup. I'll show you the euro yen here. Okay, so there's the euro yen, and once again, same concept there. Came down, but the previous day low was a little bit higher, and it formed a box right here. And there's my entry there, sell limit at 101.11 or 10. And you can see that the price actually broke 101, and so the next entry here is a possible sell at 100.93. However, the stop loss here is a little bit bigger. It's almost 20 pips, so I'm deciding whether this is worth taking or not. So we still have about 27 minutes before London opens. So we'll see whether there's another trade in store for us.